Oh, my beautiful sister Sharon gave me the sunscreen. I'm about to step out today with my natural face. By the way, this is a filter. So I told her I was going to make a video when I'll be opening the gift she gave me. It's a Dr. Rashel. It's a Dr. Rashel sunscreen. And it's 60 SPF and anti-aging. And I'm going to open it now. Use it on my face as I step out on this sunny day. Thank you so much, Sharon, for being an amazing sister, for being so supportive, and for being so nice and cute and sweet. But this thing is refusing to open. Oh, yeah, I got it. Oops. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, look at what it looks like inside. It's so cute. It looks like a bar of soap. Oh, it's not coming out. Why is everything about you so so look at it. And yeah, so there's a filter, but I hope you still see. I'm going to put a picture and show you. Oops. Oh, everything about you is really tough, baby. So I don't know how I'm supposed to put, okay, maybe generously or not. I did not read the instructions. I'm about to hurry out now. I hope it doesn't leave a white cast. If it leaves a white cast, it's titanium dioxide, which means it's more natural. Then if it doesn't leave a white cast, I'll probably read the ingredients later. But I heard a lot of good things about Dr. Rashel products. So I'll just put it on my forehead, my T-zone, and any other place I know the sun is going to hit. Please, if you're admiring my face right now, I need to remind you that I'm using a filter. I do have a smooth face, which you might find in another of my videos, but my face is not flawless. I've got spots and I've got a few lines and folds. I was born with folds here, so this filter took the folds off. And I have a few a smile line thing here, so don't be thinking that I'm perfect and now you want to either hate me or be like me or tell your girlfriend to be like me. Please, I'm using a filter just so you know. Don't stress the people around you. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress me either. Don't hate me, I beg. I'm not perfect.